Hi, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Yes. Okay. Today we are going to continue long division. Okay. How we can do the long division? In long division, we need to remember the multiplication table. Why is it? Because look at here, right? Here there are two people. There are two people. Then one people have two toffees. Each people have two toffees. Then we want to calculate total toffee, right? Then what is that? 2 into 2 equals 4. 2 into 2 equals 2 into 2 equals 4. This is multiplication, right? Division means opposite of this one, right? There are 4 toffees and you want to divide this into 2 people and equally, right? Then what? Yes. How you can divide this one? You can divide this one as 2 by 2. No? Yes. Then that one is 4 divided by 2 equals 2. I think you got it. Right? This one we can do as a calculation. Now we can move on to the long division, right? Okay. First sum is 424 divided by 2. How you can divide this one? This is a simple sum, right? How you can divide this one? First you want to consider this number, first number. Then 4 divided by 2 means how many 2's are including number 4, right? How many numbers are including number 4? Then you can 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. This is multiplication table. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Right? Then you want to observe where is it in number 4 in this numbers. Right? Where is it? We can take from here. Right? Okay. We want to consider the second multiplication table because of this is, what is this? Yes. So, this is dividend, this is divisor and the answer is quotient. Right? So, here we want to observe where is this number. Here. Then we took the second multiplication table. Right? The answer is what? 2. Right? I think you got it. After that you want to multiply this 2 by 2. What's the answer? 2 by 2 is equal to 4. Then you want to subtract 4 by 4. Then that is 0. The same thing. This is the first step. This is the first step. Then you want to do this same thing to other numbers too. Right? So, you want to bring down to this number 2 also. Right? Then, what do you want to do? Then you want to divide this number 2 by 2. Then, can you see anywhere of else this number 2? Yes, here. Right? No, I am asking as the answer. Right? This is number 2. Then, we consider multiplication table, second multiplication table. Then the answer is 1. Right? 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Then subtract. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And you want to take this one to below again. 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. That means in this 4 there are include 2 times 2. No, there is include 2 times 2. That means 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then that is 0. Then 24 divided by 2 is equals what? 212. That is the answer. Now we can move to second sum. Right? Second sum is what? 633. No, we can consider this one 32 divided by 2. Right? This one also we need to consider second multiplication table. Then 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay. First you want to take number 6. Then see here. Is they have number 6? No. Oh yes. Here have number 6. Right? Okay. 6. We consider second multiplication table and the answer is 3. Right? Then you want to do what? Multiplication. Then 2 times 3 is 2 times 3 is 6. Right? Then 0. The same step we need to continue. Then take below this number 3. Okay? What do you want to do here? You want to check number 3 is in here or not. Is it in here? No. No. Right? 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. No. What we can do? Then you want to take, it should be lower than this one and near to this one also. Right? Lower than this one and near to this number. Which number is near? Near to this number? 2. Right? Near to this number there have 2 and 4. Both are the relations of this, neighbor of this number 3. No? But you want to take the lower number. Right? So you want to consider this number 2. Then what? Number 2 and you selected the second multiplication table here and the answer is what? Number 1. Then 2 is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Then subtract 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. There is a 1 remaining. Then you want to there is 1 remaining and you want to take this 2 into below. Then 12. Then what? 5 into 2 is equal to 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Then here then we need to consider this whole number 12. Okay? Can you see number 12 in here? Yes. Yes. Okay. This is the answer. Then what is it? 12. And we took second multiplication table. What's the answer? 6. Yes. In number 12, there are 6 times of 2. Then 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Then 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. We can move on to the third sum. Are you ready for the third sum? Yes or no? Yes. There's a sum difference. What is it? We want to consider this number 5 first. But here see, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Right? Okay. Osha, here, can you see is they have number 5 in this here? In these answers? Number 5 is in here, but after this equal mark, No. So you want to take nearest number and but that number should be lower than this number, right? Okay. What are the nearest number in here? 4 and 6, right? But you want to take lower number than this number 5. What's the lower number? This number 4. Then we consider the second multiplication table and the answer is what? 2. Right? Then 2 times 2 is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then you want to subtract here. Then 1 is remaining here. Then you want to take this 2 into below 12. You want to check whether is there have number 12. Yes. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Then we consider here 12 and we consider second multiplication table and 6 is the answer. Then 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 0. Then you want to take this, you want to subtract here. You want to take this 0 as well. Then 0. Can you divide this 0 by 2?
Yes. No.
No. Then what's the answer? 0. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay. We can take the fourth sum, right? 792 divided by 3. Here we want to take the third multiplication table. First we want to consider the first number. Then what is that? Number 7. Can you see is there have number 7? No. Then you want to take lower number. You should take lower than this number and near to this number also. What is near to this number? 6 and 9, right? Then that number should be lower than this number 2. What is the answer? 2. Then 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then you want to subtract 7 by 6. 1 is remaining here. You want to take this 9 below. You want to consider this all 19. Okay. Then how many 3's are in 19? How many 3's are in 19? You want to check whether 5 times 3 is equal to 50. 6 times 3 is equal to 18, right? Then 7 times 3 is equal to 21, right? Then you want to take near to this number. What are the numbers near this number? 18 and 21. But that number should be lower than this one. Then we can take 18. 18 is here. Then third multiplication table. How many 3's are in number 19? 6 3's. Then 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Then again 1 is remaining. You have to subtract. 1 is remaining. Then you will take this 2 into below. 2. 12 divided by 3 is equal to how many? How much? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Right? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Then 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 0. Sum 824 divided by 4. Right? In here we need to consider the fourth multiplication table and first you want to take the number 8. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, right? There. How many 4's are in here? Number 8? 2, right? 2. Then 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Right? How you can, shall we check? Right? Okay. Here, what's it? 8. We need to consider the 8 and here we took the fourth multiplication table and there are 2 4's in number 8. Then 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and so when we subtract, the 0 has come. 2, right? You want to take this number 2. Then can you divide 2 by 4? Can you divide 2 by 4?
No.
No. Then you want to put that 0 in here. Then 4 times 0 is equal to 0. When you subtract, 2 again comes below. Then 4. How many 4s are in 24? 6. You can check with the right. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 0. 6 sum 985 divided by 5. Okay. Then 9 divided by 5 means how many 5s are in number 9? Including number 9. How many 5s are including number 9? Only 1. Because 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Right? Can you see this number 9 in here? Can't. Right? Then you want to take nearest number. But you can take that as the number 10 and number 5. But that number should be below than this number. Right? Then you can take this number 5. Then we took 5th multiplication table and the answer is number 1. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract this one. Then 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 48. How many 48? How many 5s are in 48? 9. You can check with the right. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. 8 minus 5 means 3. Then 35. You want to take this. Right? 35. Then how many 5s are number 35? 35? 7. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Here 7 sum 394 divided by number 6. Okay. Then here you want to consider the 6th multiplication table. Can you take this number 3? Can you take this number 3? You can't, because no. Then you want to take these two numbers. Right? You will take these two numbers because of 1 times 6 is equal to 6. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. See here, we can't take this number 3, right? Because there are no nearest number even, right? So that we need to take 39. How many 6 are in 39? 6. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Then if you subtract, you can take this remaining 3 in here and 34 below. Right? In here, if you divide 34 by 6 is, answer is 5. Right? 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Then here remaining 4. We can take 8 sum. Here 9 divided by 7 is equal to, how many 7s are including in number 9? 1 number. 1, right? 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Then 2 is remaining here and 29. There are 4 7s including in 29. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Then you want to subtract. Okay? Subtract, then 1 is remaining and 14. How many 7s are in 14? There are 2. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Again subtract. When you subtract, you take 0.